Okay folks, gotta go pay the bill at the parts store. Hey folks, this is Mike from KEI Fabrication. This is my LS swapped Mazda B2200.
As long as it's tied down well enough, I guess it'll be all right.
Alright, now we got a design chair. I can do some highly classified scientific calculations. Hey folks, I went to drive the Mazda the other day and I closed the door and the window fell out of the track. And come to find out, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but there is a little bracket that this bolt holds on the window track. I don't know if you can see the window track there or not. Yeah, there it is. There's the window track. So I'm gonna get my burr machine out, grind a little bit of that galvanizing off, and then I'm gonna reach in there with my MIG welder and weld it up. Well, hopefully that works. I'll let it cool down. I'll give it a try. Good as new. Here, listen to this. Can you figure out what that is? I'll show you in just a minute. Okay, try number 2. Big to come through these holes. Guess I gotta go back in through here. So close. Ta-da! When I did the broken door handle, this stayed inside the door. I got that out. Don't leave your flashlight inside the door when you're working on it. Hey folks, it really is kind of handy having a hot rod that's a pickup truck. Yesterday I did moved a washer and dryer and some base cabinets for a kitchen, and then today I'm moving this couch to the dump, and then this morning I hauled some plywood and some other things. The truck's been in truck mode here for a good couple of days. So hey, if you're ever building a hot rod, consider a pickup truck.